Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Unlike other primary tabs in the ribbon, clicking the File tab in the ribbon opens a view of the file called the Backstage view. This view lets you perform all of your file management. This includes functions like saving a file, opening an existing file, and creating a new file. When you click the File tab in the ribbon, you no longer see the file's contents. Instead, the file's Backstage view appears. The commands at the left side of the Backstage view are the available file management commands, followed by Account and Program options in a separate command section. Clicking a command in the list of file management commands at the left side of the Backstage view then shows additional options for the selected command to the right. You can then make additional selections in the new section as needed. For example, to create a new presentation, click the New command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then select the desired template from which to create the new presentation from the template listing to the right in the Backstage view. After completing a command in the Backstage view, you then often return to the normal working view of the presentation. However, if you enter the Backstage view and want to exit without selecting a command, simply click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Backstage view to return to the normal file view.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.